For our project, we decided to investigate the powerlifting trends, looking at the impact of equipment age and federation on total weight lifted. Using a data set from openpowerlift.org, we use functions such as select, mutate, filter, and NA admit to create a clean data set.
So some of the most notable data that we ended up getting was the total weight lifted by age group or by age. And we broke it down into these two main plots, scatter plot, as you can see on the right, with the trend of a slight peak around 20 to 40 for total weight lifted, and this same for the box plot. So our first research question was, does the use of equipment, reps versus no reps, have an impact on lifting performance in powerlifting competitions? We thought that it would, because reps add stability, which helps someone lift heavy weight. What we found with this was we got a 95% confidence interval that mean total kg, which is the total weight lifted with squat, bench, deadlift, by using the reps is 68.5 to 71.2 kilograms higher than those who don't use reps, suggesting a potential difference in performance. However, some other tests that we conducted showed inconclusive results, so further analysis should be undertaken.
For our second research question, we checked how does age affect total weight lifted in powerlifting competition, and we hypothesized that younger lifters will generally lift more weight than older lifters due to better physical condition, body weight, and lower risk of injury. We used a couple different graphs, scatter plots and side-by-side box plots. We found that, as you can see in the scatter plot, an increase in age is associated with a decrease in total weight lifted. Scatter plots, box plots showed the same trend. And so we concluded with using the bootstrapping and a 95% confidence interval. We found that young powerlifters lift on average 8.1 to 10.6 kilograms more than old powerlifters. So this supports our hypothesis.
Research question 3. So we asked ourselves, does the type of federation have an impact on lifting performance in powerlifting competitions? And we hypothesized that yes, different lifting federations will have these different formats or rules that may impact lifting performance. So we analyzed this by using two scatter plots, one with age versus total weight lifted and one with body weight versus total weight lifted, both stratified by federation. And we found that age versus total weight showed a negative correlation, while body weight versus total lifted showed a positive correlation. Additionally, we used a ANOVA test to generate a summary model, which indicates the existence of significant differences in the means across the federations. And these results suggest that federation plays a crucial role in powerlifting performance and should be taken into account when analyzing lifting data. So for our conclusion, we found that equipment, age, and federation can influence lifting performance in competition, and reps can have a positive effect on total weight lifted. And age was also found to have a negative relationship with lifting performance, with younger lifters lifting on average 8.1 to 10.6 kilograms more than older ones. And our ANOVA test demonstrated that the choice of federation can also have a significant impact on lifting performance. So overall, our study provides information to help powerlifters better understand the factors that influence their lifting performance in powerlifting competitions.
Thank you.